Today's video is on the top 30 best Amazon Black Friday deals. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of Amazon deals that are a significant percentage off. A few things you need to know. These deals are for a limited time and can change prices at any time. We are not allowed to show prices in the video per Amazon as prices can change. I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Please use the links to find the current price. Lastly, some deals are for Amazon Prime users only. If you are interested in knowing how to get 30 days of Amazon Prime for free, please check the video at the top of the screen or the link below. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 1, Canon Selfie Instant Photo Printer. Want to print photos straight from your phone or tablet? There's no need for a computer, cables, or wires, just connect and print. Each photo is coated with a special layer to keep it safe from splashes, spills, and fading, so your memories last longer. This compact, portable selfie photo printer makes it easy to print on the go. Plus, you can print and stick your favorite social media pics with the adhesive-backed paper. Number 2, dimmable smart light bulbs. Tired of flipping switches all over the house? With Amazon Basics smart light bulbs, you can control your lights with just your voice or the Alexa app, making life easier and more energy efficient. Set up routines to automate your lights at sunrise or sunset, and even change colors for movie nights or game time. Setting up is a breeze. Just screw in the bulb, open the Alexa app, and you're good to go. No hubs or extra apps are needed. Number 3, wardrobe clothing, moving boxes. Meet the wardrobe moving box, a handy solution for anyone packing up their closet. This 6-pack of wardrobe boxes comes with sturdy metal crossbars, perfect for hanging shirts, pants, jackets, kids' clothes, and more. Built from durable, corrugated cardboard, these boxes ensure your clothes stay secure and neatly organized during the move. Number 4, portable space heater. Need a cozy, reliable space heater to warm up your room? This classic black portable heater combines style with convenience. It features an easy-to-read LED display and an adjustable thermostat, letting you set temperatures from 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so you can easily move it where you need. Number 5, home repair tool set. Looking for a reliable tool set for home repairs and projects? This 173-piece hand tool set has everything you need. It includes 8 combination wrenches, a 3/8-inch ratchet wrench, 22 hex keys, 6-inch slip joint pliers, 6-inch long nose pliers, and more. Perfect for tackling basic household tasks. If you like Amazon deals, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Number 6, kids' wooden toy box. Looking for a stylish way to keep your child's room organized? This wooden toy box has you covered with plenty of space for toys, books, games, and craft supplies. Built to last, it's made from FSC certified wood, ensuring durability even with everyday use in a busy kids' room or play area. Safety is a top priority too. Thanks to the special hinge, the lid closes slowly and gently, preventing any risk of slamming. Number 7, solid wood saddle seat counter. Looking for extra seating that's both stylish and functional? This set of 2 counter height stools is perfect for your kitchen island, work table, or casual spots around the home. Made from solid wood with a sleek black finish, these stools feature an A-frame design and square legs for added stability. They can hold up to 300 pounds, ensuring long, lasting support. The contoured saddle seat and footrests provide extra comfort for those long chats or meals. Number 8, Amazon Basics enameled round Dutch oven. Looking for the perfect kitchen companion? This red Dutch oven is just what you need. It's great for roasting, baking, sautéing, and cooking all your favorite meals. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, it holds heat incredibly well and spreads it evenly for consistent cooking. With a medium 6-quart capacity, it comfortably serves 4 to 6 people, ideal for pasta, frying chicken, or making a hearty soup. Number 9, Glad stainless steel step trash can. Looking for a sleek and functional trash can? This stainless steel beauty is perfect for any home, kitchen, or office. With its fingerprint-resistant design, it keeps a polished look at all times and blends seamlessly into any space. The 20-gallon capacity means fewer trips to the trash, while bag rings keep everything secure and neat. Plus, it features Clorox protection to block odors, ensuring your home stays fresh. Number 10, Amazon Basics Collapsible Utility Wagon. Looking for a handy outdoor utility wagon that can handle all your adventures. This red wagon is perfect for family outings, sporting events, camping, gardening, or even transporting a pet with mobility issues. With a sturdy steel frame and a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds, this wagon can carry plenty of gear. The extendable handle makes it easy to maneuver, while exterior storage compartments give you quick access to smaller items. Number 11, Amazon Basics Heavy-duty hammock stand. Looking for the perfect mix of comfort and convenience? Whether you're at home or on the go, this chair has you covered. It comes with a handy carrying case, making it easy to take wherever you need. Built with durable steel tube construction, it offers both strength and style with its sleek black finish. Number 12, Amazon Basics Electronic Keypad Deadbolt Door Lock. Looking for a sleek, modern upgrade for your door? This matte black electronic lock offers a single-cylinder deadbolt with touch control keyless entry for added convenience and security. You can customize up to 6 user codes and even set temporary codes for guests or maintenance workers. It's designed to fit doors with a thickness between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches, and comes with an adjustable latch that suits most standard door setups. Number 13. Amazon Basics Airtight Food Storage Containers. Keep your pantry organized and your food fresher for longer with these airtight storage containers. Designed with a secure twist-to-close lid and a built-in gasket, they help keep essentials like sugar, coffee, and cereal fresh and flavorful. The set includes 2 containers of each size, ranging from half a quart to 3.5 quarts, making it versatile enough for any storage need. These containers don't just keep your food fresh, they save space too. Their stackable rectangular design helps maximize your pantry space, so everything stays tidy. Number 14. Amazon Luggage Suitcase with Wheels. Need a suitcase that can handle the wear and tear of travel? This one's made from extra thick ABS, giving you a scratch-resistant, durable hard shell that's perfect for frequent trips. Navigating the airport is a breeze with its smooth, rolling wheels, telescoping handle, and short handle, making it easy to get through even the busiest terminals. Number 15. Amazon Basics Rectangular Mop Bucket and Down Press Wringer. Looking for a mop bucket that makes cleaning easier? This 35-quart mop bucket comes with a down press wringer that helps you squeeze out excess dirty water with ease. Built with durable PP plastic, it features a sturdy metal handle and smooth rolling casters, making it simple to move around. To check the product's price, please use the affiliate links below. Number 16. Amazon Basics Round Stainless Steel Trash Can. Looking for a sleek and practical trash can? This round stainless steel bin is designed with convenience and style in mind. Its swing lid makes it easy to toss in waste, while the smudge-resistant, fingerprint-proof finish keeps it looking clean. With a generous 17.2-gallon capacity, it can handle a busy household or office. Number 17. Amazon Basics Fluted Ceramic Round Planter. Looking for a stylish way to showcase your plants? This 10-inch ceramic planter might be just the thing. With its sleek, fluted design in classic white, it brings a modern touch to any space. Perfect for everything from succulents to houseplants. Plus, it's versatile enough to work indoors or outdoors, adding a fresh feel wherever you place it. Number 18. Amazon Basics Coat Locker Storage. Need a smart solution to keep kids' stuff organized? This 5-section coat locker is perfect for daycares, preschools, or classrooms. Crafted from solid pine, it's built to last and adds a natural, warm touch to any room. Each section has space for everything. Hats go on top, jackets and backpacks hang in the middle, and shoes fit neatly on the bottom shelf. Number 19. Amazon Basics Handle Set with Tulip Knob. Looking for a stylish yet secure door handle set? This matte black handle set with a classic tulip knob is a solid choice for adding both security and style to your front door. This set is designed to fit doors between 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 inches thick, with a 6-way adjustable latch that accommodates both 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 inch back sets. It's universal, so whether your door swings left or right, it'll work perfectly. Number 20. Amazon Basics Foldable Metal Platform Bed Frame. Looking for a sturdy, no-fuss bed frame that fits perfectly in tight spaces? This twin XL platform bed frame might just be the answer. Measuring 80 inches long, 39 inches wide, and 14 inches high, this bed frame provides a solid foundation for spring, hybrid, or memory foam mattresses, and it can hold up to 700 pounds. With a convenient folding design, this frame is easy to store and move, ideal for small apartments or dorms. Number 21. Canon Cameras Image Stabilizing Binocular. Looking for a lens that takes your photography to the next level? This one delivers a 14 times magnification ratio, bringing distant subjects up close with stunning clarity. Plus, with the powered IS mode and microcomputer control technology, you'll enjoy smooth and stable shots, even in challenging conditions. Number 22. Amazon Basics Wired Dynamic Vocal Microphone. Looking for a microphone that delivers crystal clear vocals? The Amazon Basics Dynamic Microphone is designed to isolate your voice, reducing background noise and feedback for flawless sound. With a wide frequency range and built-in wind and pop filter, it minimizes unwanted noises like breath or pops, ensuring smooth sound. Plus, the microphone is built to last with a tough zinc die-cast housing and steel mesh head. Number 23. Amazon Basics Gas Spring Monitor Arm Mount. Looking for a way to free up desk space and improve your monitor setup? This dual monitor desk mount is a game changer. It fits 2 LCD or LED screens, ranging from 15 to 27 inches, and features an articulating gas spring arm to give you the flexibility you need. Plus, it helps keep your workspace tidy with a built-in cable management system. The kit includes everything you need, an easy-to-follow manual and organized hardware, so setting it up is quick and hassle-free. Number 24. Amazon Basics Crosscut Paper and Credit Card CD Shredder. If you're looking for a reliable shredder that handles it all, this Crosscut shredder is a solid choice. It turns paper into tiny pieces, meeting the P4 security standard, making it perfect for sensitive documents. It runs for up to 20 minutes, followed by a cool down period. Plus, after 30 minutes of inactivity, it automatically switches to sleep mode, saving energy when not in use. Number 25. Amazon Basics Internal Frame Backpack. Looking for a backpack that can handle your hiking and camping adventures? This internal frame backpack offers a spacious 75-liter capacity, with a 70-liter main compartment and a 5-liter extension collar for extra room. Made from durable polyester, it's built to last through rugged conditions. Number 26. Amazon Basics Memory Foam Plush Mattress. Looking for a mattress that provides comfort and support? The queen-size mattress is perfect for any bedroom or guest room, offering plush memory foam tops that mold to your body, no matter your sleeping position. Its 3-layer design includes a soft, breathable foam layer in the middle, a supportive foam bottom, and a top memory foam layer for ultimate comfort. Number 27. Canon EOS Content Creator Kit. Looking to take your content creation to the next level? The Content Creator Kit is the perfect choice, offering everything you need in one bundle. It includes the EOS R10 camera body, lens, microphone, tripod grip with remote, and more. Everything to get you started right out of the box. With high-speed continuous shooting at 15 frames per second, you'll never miss a moment, whether you're capturing fast action, vlogging, or filming sports. Number 28. Canon STM Lens. Looking to enhance your EOS R series camera? The RF Ultra Wide-Angle Zoom Lens is an excellent choice. With impressive zoom coverage from approximately 24 to 48 millimeters on APS-C sensors, it delivers stunning results for both photos and videos. This lens is designed for outstanding image quality, featuring 2 UD ultra-low dispersion glass elements and 1 aspheric element to reduce distortions. Number 29. Canon Macro Medium Telephoto Lens. Looking for a lens that combines the best of both worlds? This is the world's first medium telephoto macro lens with a maximum magnification of 1.4 times. perfect for capturing stunning details from a distance. The built-in optical image stabilizer helps eliminate camera shake, giving you up to 5 stops of shake correction. And when you're in macro mode, the hybrid IS technology ensures sharp shots by compensating for both angular and shift camera shake. Number 30. Canon EOS mirrorless camera. Looking for a camera that's both compact and powerful? The EOS R series delivers the smallest and lightest body in its range. Perfect for those always on the go. Despite its size, it's packed with features that won't let you down. With a 24.1 megapixel sensor and a Digic 8 processor, it offers stunning image quality. Plus, the dual pixel covers up to 143 zones, ensuring quick and precise focus. If you want a Black Friday deals part 2, please like the video. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.